Ali and I want to do a video of quick and easy recipes for even the most amateur of chefs. So before her, G and I used to go out to eat dinner all the time. We were eating most of our meals on the go, but once she came into our lives, we really wanted to focus on making more home-cooked food, having healthier options for her and for our whole family. But honestly, I'm not the greatest chef. So I talked about HelloFresh last year because it was part of my meal and workout plan to lose the baby weight initially, but I loved it so much during that process that we've been using it ever since. It's just been such a great way to get healthy meals on the table quickly, like in under 30 minutes. While being with her, finishing work. If you're a parent and you're looking for easy, quick, but really tasty recipes, this is such an amazing option. These are some of my favorites over the years that I've laid out here. And what's great too is that I just save them all and keep them all to refer back to. And I don't know about you, but I used to get stuck in the rut of making the same 2 or 3 things that I knew how to make. So this is a really good way to push you outside of your comfort zone and try new things and add new ingredients and tastes for your kids and for your family into your everyday or weekly meals. So today I'm gonna make this one, the little ears pasta. It is my new favorite of the moment, and I'm gonna literally walk you through the whole process and show you just how quick and easy it is to get this made and on the table. Wash and dry all produce. Cut any large broccoli florets into bite-sized pieces, then remove sausage from casings and discard them. Got that?
Yes.
Okay, let's go. What I love so much about these recipes is they're super simple to understand at first glance and take the intimidation out of cooking and trying new recipes. They always list all the ingredients on the left and show you the whole cooking process within 6 photos. First, we're gonna prep. Bring a large pot of salted water to boil. Wash and dry all produce, then cut any large broccoli florets into bite-sized pieces. Now we're gonna boil the pasta. Once the water is boiling, add in pasta to the pot. Cook, stirring occasionally until the pasta is al dente. This could take about 13 to 15 minutes. Another thing I really love about HelloFresh is that they do all the meal planning, shopping, and prepping for you so you can have peace of mind knowing you're gonna eat something healthy and can spend that extra time with your family or doing errands, finishing up work, whatever else needs to be done. Next, you're gonna cook your broccoli. While your pasta is cooking, heat a drizzle of olive oil in a large pan over medium heat. Add broccoli and 2 teaspoons of water. Cover and steam for about 3 minutes. Then uncover and increase heat to medium-high. Cook, stirring occasionally until browned and tender, which should take about 3 to 6 minutes. Then just season with salt and pepper. Turn off the heat, remove your pan, and set aside. The great thing about this whole process is all of the meals come together in 30 minutes max. And you're never required to use more than 2 pots and pans, so you don't have to spend the whole rest of your night cleaning up. Now you're gonna heat another drizzle of olive oil in the same pan over medium-high heat. Add in sausage and cook while breaking up the meat into pieces. Cook until browned, which should take about 4 to 5 minutes. Our meal's really starting to come together now. I get so excited trying all of these new recipes every week, using new ingredients and surprising my family with new meals. G likes to get in on the cooking process with me too from time to time, and these HelloFresh recipes are so easy for both of us to follow along and collaborate on. It makes for good bonding time in the kitchen too. Now we're gonna toss the pasta. Add pasta, broccoli, pesto, stock concentrate, a 1/4 cup of pasta water, and half the Parmesan to your pan. Toss until everything is well coated and a thick sauce has formed, which should take about 1 to 2 minutes. If everything seems a bit dry, add in a bit more of the pasta water until it's really nice and creamy. Last, just season with salt and pepper. Plate your pasta and serve. This meal is a huge hit with both G and Ale. Ale actually finishes her entire plate when I make this. It's super affordable too. HelloFresh now starts at $6.99 per serving. I seriously cannot tell you enough just how much I really love this whole service. We've been using it for a little over a year now, and I recommend it to all my friends and family because the recipes are the best and it's super convenient and healthy and really affordable too. If you're interested in getting started with HelloFresh, you can start with 8 free meals. That's $80 off your first month. Just go to HelloFresh.com and enter my code, Jessi Malay 80. Let me know how much you're loving these recipes once you try it.